What is up, everybody? It's me, the Angry Angler. Today we are here at Little Dixie Lake. We're going to be doing some catfishing for the most part, but in the meantime, while we wait on that to hit, I'm going to have my panfish rig here, and we will be throwing for some bluegill or whatever else might bite on the worm. So with that said, guys, we've got the catfish rig here set up with 4 ounces of weight. So we're going to go ahead, guys. We're going to give this plain Jane chicken liver a good old-fashioned yeet. Send that nice and deep into this little hole here. All right, I'm going to loosen up my drag some. We're just going to pull till that line is taut. All right, perfect. All right, guys, so while this sits and we wait on something to happen there, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to step back here. I'm going to get my panfish rig going, and we're going to start throwing some worm as well. All right, guys, we got the catfish rod going behind us. We're going to step over here with our panfish setup. Oh. Try and find what might look like a decent spot to shoot off here. I'm thinking right there looks good. Hey guys, we are on here. Oh, I think it wrapped me up. This stupid fish wrapped me up. I'm about to break my line, guys. Yep. And we get to wave goodbye to my bobber. I can see my bobber right there. That sucks. All right, guys, I'm getting some movement on this rod. Oh, hold on. There's some weight on this, guys. This does not, feels like I got something on this. This was just bopping. I was trying to do a bait check. Yeah, we got something, y'all. I think we got what we came for here. Yeah. There we go. Got us a little channel cat here, y'all. Good eating size too. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get him off the hook and onto a leader or onto a stringer, and we're gonna get back at it here in a minute. All right, y'all. I'm sure you can't see a whole hell of a lot of this because it's getting dark. We're gonna go ahead, send this on out again. Nice clean send off there. We're gonna do the same thing as before. Let that hit bottom. Loosen our drag up here. And we wait for the tip of that thingy to wiggle wiggle, guys. So when that go wiggle wiggle, I see everybody back on the screen. All right, guys, so we've already bagged us that one cat. We are still going here. It is only 8:43, so they should be biting. I'm hoping for my rod to start bouncing and bobbing here in just a couple minutes. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, guys, I got a feeling it's going to be a good night. We're going to stay here until we have to pack up and be out of here. So I think I'm really going to push my luck on this Even though it says we got to be out of here at 11, I think we're going to wait until 11 to pull our line in and go ahead and pack our shit and get out of here. I don't think game warden will disagree too much with that plan. So we'll see what goes on here, guys, and we'll keep at this. All right, we got plenty more cats out here to go for, so let's do this. All right, guys, I'm seeing some weird movement in this line. I'm gonna tighten the drag and we're gonna pull her up here. Feels like there's a little extra weight. Oh, we got us another little one. Looks like a tiny little flathead, y'all. He is a small guy too. He's small for a flathead. Yeah, that is most definitely a flathead. Look at the shape of that tail. Yep. Little flatty, y'all. He has something getting good. He's been got good before. He's missing a piece of his lip. Yeah, that's my hand in there, dude. All right, y'all. We got him free. He is not big enough for eating. So we're gonna go ahead, send him on his way. Oh man, that is Mosquitoville down now. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this baited back up. I still got a good hour or so before I gotta be out of here. So we're gonna try for one more eater size catfish. We've gotten 2 tonight. So far so good. We're gonna see if we can't keep this rolling, guys. GoPro, stop. So guys, I totally missed recording the end of my video here the other night. My equipment was not cooperating. If you liked what you saw, please give me a like and a subscribe. It supports my channel. It helps me out. And once I start growing more, I'll be getting more content out and I'll be posting more frequently. But for now, guys, I will be trying to get content out to y'all on the weekly. So if y'all are enjoying it, please show me some support and I'll see y'all in my next video.